So when you wake up in the morning and you want to go about your business, this is what you have to deal with. See? So but it's soft. It's a whole day thing. You did not clear. Won't be a snow thing.